So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll try to learn that how we can simulate retaining wall in GeoStudio for slope stabilization purpose. So let's start the video. We are given these properties and we'll try to simulate this example in GeoStudio. So for this geometry, I have the coordinates. You can use you can generate your own coordinates to generate the geometry in GeoStudio. I have these coordinates to generate the geometry in GeoStudio. So let's start this example in GeoStudio. So this is GeoStudio 2021. I'll be starting with slope W. This is slope W analysis. You can give the title. Now here I'll be selecting piezometric line with RU coefficient, slip surface, it will be right to left, failure surface will be right to left. I have explained this phenomena in my previous videos. I'll be selecting grid and radius and now close. The next step is to generate the axis, sketch axis. Here you can see elevation in meter, wall distance in meter, and the font size will be 12. I'll be selecting the minimum x-axis value is 30 meter and y-axis value as 20 meter. Auto increment size will be 0.2 meter and it will also be 0.2 meter. So okay, close now. Now I have to draw the geometry. For this purpose, I'll have to copy these coordinates. I'll be selecting these coordinates, Control C. Now here I will go to the define points and here I will be selecting right click and paste the points. Close. Now I have these points to draw the geometry. Now I can switch off the label from this point. Now I'll have to draw the regions. Draw a region. You can modify it. Select. Okay. Draw regions. This point, this point, this point. Cantilever retaining wall. Okay. Now you will be drawing this point to this point. The next region will be like that. Now you have to draw your third region that will start from here. Now I have to draw the fourth region. Right click. Okay, so now the geometry has been drawn. Now the next step is to define the materials. So from here we'll be defining the material. Define material. Add. So for the first layer I'll be giving it a title of backfill. I'll be selecting Mohr Cooler model and the properties we can select from here. Unit weight is 18, cohesion is 2 and angle of internal friction is 25. So 18 to 25 for this layer, and now add again the layer 1 molecular model, and the properties of layer 1 are 16.5, 15 and 10. 16.5, 15, 10. And now add another layer, and that is layer 2 molecular model, and the properties are 18.5, 15, 30. 18.5, 15 and 30. I can change the color of this layer as like this. Now I have to add another material properties, that will be retaining wall, cantilever retaining wall. So for this purpose I'll be using molecular model. You are referred to the literature that how we determine the molecular model parameters for a concrete retaining wall. So I'll be using 24.5 kilonewton per meter cube unit weight of concrete retaining wall. Then the cohesion 7.25 and the angle of internal friction 90 degree, but GeoStudio does not consider the value of 90, so I'll be taking the value 89 for this retaining wall. You are referred to the literature for more clear description of these parameters for concrete retaining wall. So now the material has been defined. Now I have to draw the material in the geometry. So I'll be selecting this one, backfill, like here. Next one is layer 1. This is layer 1. Now the next is layer 2 here, and the retaining wall here. Now the material properties have been defined and assigned as well. Now I have to draw the piezometric line here, and this is the point where I have to draw the piezometric line. So I will be selecting draw, pour water pressure, add, yes. So groundwater table will be assigned to each layer. So draw, till here, right click and done. Now the water table has been drawn. Now the next step is to define the grid and radius. So again in draw, slip surface, grid. So 12 and 8 have to draw the radius. For the radius, okay, then this is how we can define grid and radius. We close. Now all the details have been completed regarding the simulation of retaining wall for the slope stabilization purpose. So now we have to run the analysis. Start, and I'll be saving it, concrete retaining wall, save. It will take a few moments to complete the analysis. Now you can see the factor of safety is 2.598 if we use these properties. So this is how we can simulate the retaining wall in GeoStudio. For more details, you can explore more features in the GeoStudio. So you can see the slip surface is passing through the toe of this concrete retaining wall. So this is how we can simulate the concrete retaining wall in GeoStudio. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.